Just look at this recipe. It's so mouth-watering. Hey guys, welcome back to Blessings Kitchen. I'm so delighted to have you back on today's recipe. So let's get started. For the ingredients, we need chicken wings, flour, spices, butter and hot sauce. In a large bowl, let's combine the ingredients. The flour, paprika powder, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper to taste. And we're just gonna mix this until well combined. So now I'm just gonna coat the wings in seasoned flour and line them on a baking sheet. You could fry or bake this until golden brown and crispy, but I will be baking them. So let's bake this in a preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes. So for the hot sauce, let's bring the butter to a pan and let it melt before adding the hot sauce. Alright guys, it's time for a little test. If you've been following along and your mouth is watering just thinking about those crispy buffalo wings, then it's time to show some love. Hit that subscribe button if you're ready to dive into this delicious recipe. And hey, if you want to see more mouth-watering recipe like this one, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't miss out on our future cooking adventures. Thank you for tuning in today and happy cooking. Pour in the hot sauce and cook it on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's toss the chicken wings in the buffalo sauce and mix them together until well combined. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Thank you for joining me on today's recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your family or friends for more delicious recipe. Thank you for watching and bye!